Gori. She's fair, isn't she? She's beam of light.
Stop it. I know someone was smiling if they're watching this.
Beam of light. The sunlight to my light.
I will throw something. Okay.
Hi guys, I'm Mariam Gangardiwala, basically drama, and she's my girlfriend.
No, I'm not.
But you are. Nafisa Razdanwala.
Okay. My name?
Control.
It's okay.
We keep talking about our life. It was so accurate. I can't even. And this is a part 3, by the way. Please go watch part 1 and part 2 if you happen to get context of this. Right now it's November 2019. Wow, it's been a year plus. And we are going to go to Lonavala to attend a film festival. So the Lift India Film Festival. This is an international film festival of world cinema where films from all over the world, up to 45 countries, come down to India. And it's a film festival take place like a normal film festival where films are screened all throughout the day. This is a 5-day film festival. It was my second time. I've been 2018, 2019, and
it was my first time. Like I spoke about in the first video, I had a word with her sir or our sir now about this and attending this festival, and I did. And apart from us, there were as we volunteered for the film festival, there were also other members of the team who are other industry professionals, and we spoke to them about stuff, about our common interests, about life decisions, and about Mumbai.
There were some really fun days and fun nights that were there. Yes. We'll put some photos if we'll put some.
Sure.
So just to, we had like great fun. For her, it was her first time. I already knew a few of them. So we've come back, and my prelims are here. It's Jan already, and I had to study, guys, but I didn't. Cause yeah, but I did fairly well.
And then, so I spoke to one of the members of the Lift team at the festival, where I spoke about how I wanted to do film and study film right now. And he just gave me a very simple advice. He himself was a BMM student, and he told me that why don't you just do BMM? I mean, figure things out along the way. And it kind of froze my brain, and I kept thinking about it after Lift. And like in a little while, I decided that he's right. He's completely right. I should do BMM. Help along the way figure things out and everything.
Wasn't it also that the college you wanted to do?
It wasn't. It wasn't the best. Yeah. It like if it taught me film, it was not going to do like a very good job at it.
It wasn't
FTI.
like or a Whistling Woods, if I'd say so, where film was focused on.
So it was like a decision that I took. I was like, oh yeah, let's just do BMM.
So at this point, we both are planning to do BMM in Mumbai. But before that, I have my exams. My 12th board exams, which I did study for like a little bit. I did was very less.
You did a lot.
No.
Okay.
And it went by, and then we planned for a trip after my boards.
Like everyone does.
Yeah. Also, my birthday was celebrated.
Oh yeah, that was good.
It was a very good day. Again, we'll tag photos in. My exams के बीच में birthday celebrate कर रहा है. मेरा 18th birthday था, मैं big girl हो गया, guys.
I'll not say it in this video, but someday I'm going to reveal that secret about it. Yeah, you know which one.
I don't know actually.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. What? What? I understood it. अच्छा.
क्या दारू पीती है ये औरत माँ.
Okay. I became big and all.
Yeah.
And she and a friend, and we celebrated it very nicely. And we had this very fun night after my boards at Ayman's house.
Yes, it was a fun night.
So guys,
I will not tag that video.
Nice.
See you soon in the 4th part of this. Until then, stay safe and
Stay tuned. Is that-
Like, comment,
Okay.
share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
बच्ची सीख रही है.
I don't want to be a YouTuber. Can she just leave me alone? Okay, bye bye.